कौन सा गाना गा रहे थे?
अंधेरा होता है आधी रात ये आवाज आती है
मैं
चोर 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 चोर।
भैया, now you perform on some song.
अरे भैया के लिए गाना डायरेक्ट
Like गाना तुम गाओ शशांक.
दिलकशी और दिलबरी उसकी है ये जादूगरी जिसकी आंखों में है शोला। ए दिल ये सच है क्या? ये देखो दीदी देखिए, हाय हाय रैबिट लग रहा है बिल्कुल।
और क्या?
हमको तो मम्मी जाओ।
हम भी डांस करेंगे, फिर गाना तो गाओ.
हाँ भैया। के पान बरा रसवाल खुल जाए गंद अकल का ताल फिर तो ऐसा करे कमाल सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल। ये this is Varun, Nidhi and Shashank in Taupo in North Island, New Zealand. We are coming down from the bushwalk after visiting Hookah Falls. भैया हिंदी वाला. हाँ हिंदी. Varun, Shashank और Nidhi performing dance in a small mountain of bushes.
Yo!
We are coming from the top. We went up the hill, right up the hill. This is a small kind of forest. This is Manu. I live in Auckland.
And this is a famous patti which we have used.
That we have decorated ourselves. Each and every was decorated, and we took some photos.
And each and every one is worth 1 lakh rupees each.
Yeah, this is very expensive and very valuable.
And very rare species.
Native plant. So I'm not supposed to break it, but I did because no one is watching me.
Okay.
So it's alright.
Breaking a leaf is a crime, so he's being shot dead.